Hello wonderful people, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. Thank you for stopping by. In today's video we are making date syrup. Date is a plant-based sweetener and alternative to sugar. It is healthy and can be used to replace your sugar for baking and cooking. You can add it in your coffees, your teas, your cereals, and it's good for babies from 6 months. Let's get into the video. What I have here is dry date, which I've washed thoroughly and soaked in the water for about 5 minutes so that I can de-seed it. I live in Lagos, Nigeria, and here the dates we get from the malams here are dry dates. So for you to be able to de-seed it, you have to soak it a bit and then start cutting it open to remove the seed. I am also cutting them into tiny bits because I'll blend them later. Now I'm done de-seeding all. We'll now go to the next step. I will transfer them into a bigger bowl. Add some hot water to it. Here I have 2 cups of dates, so I'm going to add it about 4 cups of hot water and allow it to soak in this water for about 5 hours. Here we have it after 5 hours. If it were the very soft dates, you can just mash them and squeeze out the juice after soaking it. But this date is the hard type, so for me to get out all the juice in it, I have to blend it. So I'm going to put this in my blender now and blend. After blending, the next thing we'll do is to sieve out the juice. You can either use your sieve or sifter, or you use their muslin bag. I prefer to use the muslin bag because it's easier that way to just squeeze it out, or your nutmeg bag. This is all the juice I got from it. I'll now transfer this to the pot and cook it down until it becomes a bit thick. So let's get to that step. And here we are boiling it. Remember, we are making date syrup, so we need to boil it like this until it thickens up. I'll keep stirring it at intervals, and I'm doing this on a low heat, so we keep cooking it or boiling it until it thickens up a bit. You can notice that it has boiled down, changed color, and also thickened. I'll boil it in a low heat now for maybe about 5 minutes more, and we'll take it down. And here we have our date syrup. This consistency is okay because it will still thicken more as it cools down. So I'll allow it to cool down before we transfer it to our container. What do you think? Isn't this looking very beautiful? Here is our date syrup. You can use this, as I said, in your coffees, your teas, your cereals, your bakings, your cookings. And now we'll transfer it into an airtight container. And this can last for about 3 months in your refrigerator. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and also share the video. Thank you all for watching. I really appreciate. May God bless you all. And to my new subscribers, you are highly welcomed. Thank you for coming. Please don't forget to subscribe and also share to your friends and family. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and stay safe. Thank you all. Bye. Love you.